Hello, welcome to question number 33 on stoichiometry. How many moles of HCl is necessary to neutralize 10 ml of 0.5 molar K2CO3 solution? We're neutralizing K2CO3 solution by using HCl. So we are going to write our equation of reaction, HCl plus K2CO3. We could flip it though, K2CO3 plus HCl doesn't really matter. And then this will give you 2 KCl plus CO2 plus H2O. So you want to balance that. Let's see, is it balanced? Is it balanced, guys? Alright, so that looks balanced, and it is balanced. Now, how many moles of HCl is necessary to neutralize 10 ml of 0.5 molar K2CO3? So this is 10 ml of 0.5 molar. And the number of moles here is just going to be 0.5 molar, which is mole per dm cube or mole per liter, times 10 divided by 1,000. I divided by 1,000 here because I want to do conversion to liter, so that it will make sense. Alright, so the moles of K2CO3 in that case is 0.005 mole. If 2 moles of HCl react with 1 mole of K2CO3, then how many moles of KCl do you think would react with 0.005 moles of K2CO3? Proportion, right? Somebody say proportion. 2 HCl, 1 K2CO3. See how easy this thing can be, right? 0.005 moles of K2CO3 would then give you what amount of HCl, and that's it. So your X is 0.005 multiplied by 2, which is 0.01 mole of HCl, and that's it. Okay, the video does not end there. That's it. But if this was too confusing for you, let me know in the comments. And also, if it was like really easy and you got it, then that would mean that this video was really helpful. So let me also know in the comments, okay? I'll see you on question 34. So if you want to get question 34, you have to have subscribed to this channel or followed this page, okay? So that's it. 34 is coming soon. For now, bye-bye.